All right, guys. I think here we're gonna go on the deck on the like a few cruise on the seaside. That's what we're gonna try to do. My friend here is trying to get a ticket, so we're gonna go inside for the cruise. I see what's gonna happen. I've never done it before. I don't know what's up, what is involved, but hopefully, you know. Can you tell me what's going on?
We get inside the port to have a look, have a short look,
okay.
And then we take the boat, small boat, to cross the river. Then we will see the shipyard and slum.
Oh, okay.
And
all right. Thank you.
Tell you later which one is our last destination.
Oh, okay. No problem. No problem. Thank you very much.
So we are here in the port right now, inside the port.
Okay.
So this is Chandpur boat. You asked me for the Chandpur day trip. From this platform,
okay,
you can hire anytime, like morning 6 to evening 7:30. Anytime.
Okay. Okay.
Like if you came here like 7 or 8, you can take a boat 8:30.
Okay.
You will be there 11:30.
Okay.
You can walk around the city 2 hours.
Okay.
And again, you can start your journey from there at 3:30.
Okay.
You will be here at 6:30 or 7.
Okay.
So it's good.
Okay. Right.
1 day round trip.
All right. Cool. But this is a whole different life here.
Whole part,
Yeah.
This is also day boat, Chandpur boat. In this platform you see route Dhaka to Chandpur. You see?
Oh, okay.
In this platform only Dhaka to Chandpur, over there, Keraniganj, another Borishal, Bola, everywhere. But this platform only for Chandpur.
For Chandpur, okay. But it's the same place to get a ticket, yeah?
Yeah. Ticket counter is here.
Oh,
inside the boat. Here is the ticket counter. And this is the chair, like a deck chair. Cheapest. And if you want the business class chair,
you go up,
business class seat, business class room, also having.
All this deluxe department.
Yeah. You don't need a business class one because you have like 3 hours. You are as a content creator, so you can walk around and make some videos. So you can hire.
I can walk around, yeah?
Yeah.
Wow. So, and as he said, I'm gonna go try to just walk around. You know, just wow. People are incredible. Anytime I hesitate to film, because at the back of my mind somebody gonna complain. But literally everybody's waiting about you. Everybody wanna be in the camera. It's crazy. Wow. Look at this. Assalamu alaikum. Crazy. So this is the lower deck, you know. Wow. So I'm trying to just film around. I think those are the ones go on different islands across the river to the other side of Dhaka. I get new friend anywhere I go, honestly. All right. Good. Thank you. Wow, as I say, anytime I put on my camera, sometimes I hesitate, but literally people are so welcoming, want you to take picture. It did really encourage you to film more, because in Africa that's not a joke. You can't do that, bro. Then you're gonna have your head bashed somewhere, that's for sure. I don't know why we do have a camera phobia. Honestly, I'm cracking my brain every single time for African. I don't have a word to explain it, honestly. My friend is trying to ignore those dudes, you know. Assalamu alaikum. That's the whole life here, whole life. Assalamu alaikum. How are you? Good? So I think he's chilling a bit. So we're gonna get on one of these boats to go to. Assalamu alaikum. So we're gonna get on one of those boats to go on the river cruise. Assalamu alaikum. So how are you? Good. What is your boat? That's good. Oh, this is boat, yeah. Okay. Yep. Awesome. All right. Somebody's coming. How are you? Yeah, here we go. Look like we are arriving at the shipyard right now. That's what I heard. A lot of banging up there. All right. This way up here, right? Is it here? Yeah. All right, you look like we are on the other side. You look like it's a shipyard. It's a big boat. That's what they fix. All the boats over here. Nice.
That guy is counting you.
Is what?
He said that come with me. Come with me.
Ah, okay. They're fixing those boats. And I think the supervisor here, he's in charge. He's chatting with them for the benefit. Oh yeah?
So right here, you see the guys is working for the ship. They removing the old painting from the boat by the hammer.
Wow!
And after that, they want to finish by the machine a little bit. I mean, they cleaning by the machine, and then they are repainting.
To make
like
it
3-4 colors for long lasting.
Wow!
Yeah. Let's go.
Wow! They literally removing the old paint manually. It's crazy. The Keraniganj shipyard, also known as Dhaka dockyard, is a large, busy cluster of small shipbuilding and ship repair yards located just southwest of Dhaka along the Buriganga River. It is considered a major hub for building, repairing and recycling ships in Bangladesh. More than 30 to 35 shipyards operates in this area. The yard mainly handles small to medium-sized vessels, including cargo boats, passenger launches and steamers. This place is known for its intense and non-stop activities. One of the most striking aspects of Keraniganj shipyard is its harsh and risky working environment. Thousands of workers are employed here, often with low wages. Safety measures are frequently limited. Workers may use minimal protective gears. Injuries are relatively common due to the dangerous nature of the work.
This bucket, they carry the bell.
Okay.
Bell water.
Okay.
Put the land for 8-9 hours.
For 8 hours.
So they're melting right now.
Okay.
2 hours later, they will put at that gap.
Oh, they're melting all the pieces here.
Yeah. See the workers, no hand gloves, no special shoes.
Okay.
They working in very hard situation like 2000 degrees Celsius, 100 degrees Celsius temperature.
Wow.
Maybe half hour ago was put there.
Okay. Wow.
Then he's a child labor. He's working for here.
Okay. What they have in the home?
They are preparing to melt.
Oh, okay.
So they are making that.
Okay. Africa. Assalamualaikum. Actually, this is the taking an impression of the continental wind actually for the boat coming up, the new boat, or whatever boat they're fixing. You see, they're digging it down, and then that's the finished product. That's how they make it. So to be able to get here, they will melt all this metal and drop it into this kind of impression. This is crazy here.
The area is crowded, chaotic, and tightly packed, often right next to homes and small buildings. Despite this, the industry continues to thrive because of cheap labor and skilled craftsmanship. As a matter of fact, there is a village attached to this shipyard, which we will visit in a minute. Many describe it as a mixture of industrial chaos and craftsmanship. This shipyard plays an important key role in Bangladesh shipbuilding industry, which is growing and even exporting ships internationally. It provides employment to thousands of workers and their families, and also it supports the local economy.
How are you?
I'm very well. How are you?
In country.
Ivory Coast,
Very good.
West Africa.
Bangladesh.
Thank you.
Start from that place.
Okay.
I finished like 2 kilometers, like around 2 kilometers only for ship shops and
Wow.
ship stuff.
Ship stuff, yeah.
All ships are dismantled here, piece by piece, and their materials are reused. New ships are built from scratch or assembled from recycled parts. Workers cut steels with torches, weld structures, paint hulls, and install engine. The area operates almost 24/7, filled with the sound of metal cutting and hammering.
When the boat they need to turn it up,
Yeah.
use that roller and plug in the rail first and then use this machine.
Right.
Nigeria,
Cote Ivory Coast.
Ivory Coast.
You look like Nigeria is very popular here. Yeah. Everybody knows about Nigeria. Yeah.
This shipyard is economically important for Bangladesh, but also physically demanding and a very risky job.
How are you? Cote d'Ivoire. Ivory Coast.
Ivory Coast. Bangladesh.
Yeah.
A place of constant noise, motion, and industrial energy.
Wonderful. Assalamualaikum. Assalamualaikum. How are you? That's good? All right?
Like and share this video, and don't forget to subscribe because many more videos on the way. Thank you.
Thank you.